So those of you that have been in machines before, you'll know whether you've got a hammer on or whether you've got a bucket on, you've got the ability to do some damage to your tracks, as you can see here. So not that any of us want to preach any of this, but we all have that heart in mouth moment when we're teaching some young operators when they're going through their full dig cycle and they get to this point where you start to panic that they're about to rip off their tracks. But we've got this unique feature that's in the next gen machine called Cab Avoidance. Now that Cab Avoidance is preset. I've already set it on the machine before you all sat down in the stand there. We have a high limit, we have a middle limit, and we have a lower limit. And I've already preset that. I'm going to go in and set my Cab Avoidance. I'm going to go and turn it on. And now let's see how close I can get to those tracks. You can see I can't get anywhere near those tracks. No matter what I do, no matter what arc I'm in, I cannot get anywhere near those tracks. Now, of course, I can configure it so I can get 2 inches away from it if I want. Now, if you're wondering, for those of you that are wondering, can it happen underneath? No, that's as close as I can get to my tracks, and you're probably hearing the buzzer going off in the background. So Cab Avoidance is a fantastic feature for those of you that are concerned about obviously your cabin, the safety of your operators, and of course the cost of your tracks and your machinery by damaging it with your teeth. So that's Cab Avoidance, James.